Rising tides, quiz time. Grab your onions, grab your bacon. Let's go. What we're gonna do today is you're gonna take an onion like this, and you're gonna chop it up. Get little onion rings. I already did that part of it. What you're gonna do is lay out a piece of bacon. I get a piece of bacon, kind of stuck. Put it out here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna wrap it. What we're gonna do is take the bacon here. I'm gonna put some cayenne pepper because I like it a little spicy. A little bit of garlic powder. We're gonna take that, take your onion ring here, which I already got sliced up, and then we just wrap it around. Start from this side. It's gonna be a little messy, but that's okay. See there. And once you start getting it wrapped, it'll start getting easier. But first, make sure that the piece stayed. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it just like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and make a bunch of those. I'll be right back. As you can see here, I went ahead and wrapped the rest. I didn't put any spice on it. I'm going to go ahead and put the spice on top. So it's a little bit easier. Kind of made it a little bit of a mess. You can treat your bacon before, or you can treat it afterwards. Basically, putting a healthy dose of spices on there. And you don't have to use cayenne. I like to use cayenne because I like a little bit spicy. But after this, you want it to be in your oven at 400. Once you got everything wrapped like this, you got all spiced up like what you want, what you're gonna do is you're gonna heat up your oven to 400 degrees. You're gonna go ahead and put them in there, and I'll see you in 20 minutes. That's been about 20 minutes. Just gonna take them out. Put them right there. Then what we're going to do is you want to carefully take them up and flip them. And that way we get all of the onion and bacon cooked. And it'll be just 20 more minutes after that. And then you'll be enjoying some bacon onion rings. You could season the other side if you want as well. Kind of fell apart. That's okay. Still tastes good. Okay, after you get them all flipped, put them back in the oven. 20 minutes more, and then I'll see you in 20 minutes. I guess the lesson here is make sure that you kind of keep up on them. Make sure they don't burn. I got some leftover chicken here. They're still really good. You know, they're a little crispy. You get that onion in, that cayenne, you get that bacon goodness. If I'm going to go ahead and eat these with some chicken, you can use whatever sauce you want. If you like this video, like and subscribe down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.